In this video, step by step on how to remove the door panel of a BMW E38. Let's do this. Whether you have to deal with the dreaded regulator issues on these doors or you want to upgrade your speakers, at some point you may have to take the door panel off. Before you begin any electrical work, be aware that you would have to disconnect the battery if it makes you feel safer. There is a possibility that things can go wrong or you can short something out if you don't do it. Now, I've removed plenty of these door panels in my day. I actually used to work for a company and all we did was remove these and fix regulators and windows. So I've never disconnected the battery and never had an issue. If you're a little bit clumsier, if you want to just play it safe, then remove the battery first, then come back to this. Once you've removed the battery, you're gonna see in here, there should be a little cover that you can put your small clip in here and pop open. Mine's missing. So we're gonna go right ahead and start taking this off. You will need your Torx 20. Down here, you can loosen this. When removing the bottom right here, start over on this side, get a tool in there, and then hold it, and then go to the other side. Be careful not to break the little feet right here because you have one on this side, one on this side, one and one. So you're gonna have a total of 4. There you go, and then just disconnect it. Go around the outside of the door, grab your tool, and find the green clips, and you can start removing those. Once you get a big chunk of the door loose like this, you can actually just go and with your fingers kind of do the rest and you'll hear it pop. Oh, mine actually just completely came off of on this side, so that was nice. Now, a thing to note is this chrome piece right here, this will stay where it is. As you can see, the panel detaches from your door, and then you just have to move it up and over the lock. Once you take it off, you're also going to maneuver this door handle in through that hole that way, and then you're going to have to disconnect everything else from inside, and I'll show you that right now. Be very easy, very gentle. Do not be impatient with this, otherwise you will end up breaking clips and things that you don't want to break. In here we have a couple of connectors that need to be taken out. Let me see if I can shine a light on them here. So all of these BMW connectors kind of have this nice style where they clip on, and then when you want to take them off, you press on your finger here and it releases that clip, and then you pull it down, and as you're pulling it down, it actually pushes the connector out of its seating. So that's one, it just comes off. 2. These are all different sizes, so you cannot really connect them wrong. There's no need to keep track of which one goes where. They just kind of only fit in one place. This big connector here is a little bit different than all the other ones. See where the other ones have this lever mechanism. That's pretty easy to figure out. This one is a little bit trickier because instead of rotating up and down, instead of that lever mechanism, you have kind of like a slide mechanism. So you're gonna grab your pick tool and you're gonna get it in here, and then simply you're gonna push out this way. You wanna slide the mechanism out this way, and as you do so, the connector will come up. There it is. So yeah, it's just a slide mechanism. That's all you're doing. You're just sliding it out. When you do that, it pushes it up and disconnects it. If you need to replace any of these clips, you can usually find them at AutoZone. They have like little baggies of assorted. Just make sure you get the right sizes for them. But even if you have a few that are broken like I do, I have 3 broken ones. It's not the end of the world. You have plenty. The door will usually hold. But if that's not the case, then make sure and get some from AutoZone. Over here, everything looks good. Be really careful with the airbag module, please. You do not want to mess around too much with this yellow connector, especially if you didn't disconnect the battery. But this is the actual airbag that saved my life when I got into my accident. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If that's the case, please give that like button a smash, maybe consider subscribing and share it with a friend. Until the next video, be good to each other and have a great day.